want to let you know that I'm packed and ready for New York. I'm sick and tired of Grenada. Only a breath with a here, see a them, see a this. I want to get out. So I'm packed and leaving for New York. Anytime anybody asks you for me, just tell them I New York you.
It is such a pity that we show more appreciation for foreign nations and foreign things that we are willing to give up our Grenadianism at home and abroad. If we truly are Grenadians and truly love this country in the name of the Lord, then we must weigh our actions a lot more closely. For from our actions nationally, it does not appear that we are hearing the true message. Perhaps we do need to hear the stones break their silence before we really begin to sing to God, sing to our country. Yes, sing to our country and take Grenada to the world.
Hey, Terra boy, I'm not like you know.
Yeah, boy.
Happy 37, yeah! Hey!
Grenada! Grenada!
One more yet to reflect. One more yet to say thank you to Uncle Eric. Although the man dead and he got his legacy lives on. No, it's up to you and me to preserve our nation. Don't get caught up with side shows and old talk. But you must stay focused, cause the road ahead will be rough. No man is an island, let's work together as one. Cause in the end of the day, remember we never should bury yet. Stand up and tell me if you love me. Everybody stand up and tell me if you love this life. Oh, yo, yo, I want to know something. I want to know. Grenada, really? What is that? What is that? Grenada to the Grenada to the let's lift up our voices and shout it out. Grenada to the Grenada to the love is what we are. Sing this song. Grenada, let's lift up our voices and shout it out. Grenada, Grenada, let them know we're small but we are proud. Give me rock, boy. Hey, hey, hey. Let them know we're proud, boy. Hey, hey. Listen. Time for us to value it and big up this country. Forget crooked politicians' ideology. Our turbulent history should be well documented, so that our children would not be misguided. We still play that good for us. We stand the test of time. Once we educate our young leaders, our future will be just fine. Don't make a sad mistake and find out what come on. Cause the price we will have to pay will be better for all the way. Stand up and tell me if you love me. I can hear you. Stand up and tell me if you love this life. I want to know if you're ready. All Grenada to Grenada. Lift up your voices and your shout it out. Grenada, Grenada. Let them know we're small but we are proud. Grenada, Grenada. Let's lift up our voices and shout it out. Grenada, Grenada. Let them know we're small, but we are proud. Hey, happy 27 years. This is the one. Some people tell me they're leaving, they're not coming back. They take the grain from Grenada and throw it behind their back. They said that Grenada don't have anything for them, so they going up in the cold, they don't eat breadfruit again. When they reach up in the cold and the hard time take them, they start spinning around as when cock once ahead. Now they shame to come back, cause they pray the old talk. So they dig it in the dustbin, hoping that they go find the grave.
Stand up and tell me if you love Grenada.
Everybody, tell me if you love
Grenada.
I wanna know, I want to know, I want to know if you really love Grenada. Sing it! Sing it! Shout it! Almost up! Right here, sir! Oh yeah! Sing it! Let us lift our voices and shout it out loud. Grenada! Grenada! Let's just show this moment. Bring it in! All you are here! I am not a hypocrite. I am not a fake. I'm Grenadian to the code that you must inculcate. I will never go around but talk in this land. I will always stand up brave and say I'm a Grenadian. But some people here, they fake like us, yeah. They only grinning with me, but strongly in the country. Right now I want to know, I don't love the sight of the show. What do I want you Grenadian? Let me see you put on. Stand up! Everybody, stand up! Once love me, stand up! Once you love me, stand up! I want to sing the song! Play it again! Play it! Everybody! Stand up and tell me if you love me! In the back, so! Stand up and tell me if you love me! I want to know! I want to know! I want to know! I want to know! Look! I want life for single. I want life from single. I want life if this is the Prime Minister there. This is the Prime Minister there. If this is the Prime Minister there, Mr. Prime Minister, good night. I want to ask you one question. You ready for it? You ready for the question? Alright. Look at me good. Do you really and truly love Grenada? If you love Grenada, put your hands up. Mr. Prime Minister, if you really love Grenada, put your hands up. So once you love Grenada, I want to see everybody join me in prayer. And let me see you. Let me see you stand up and tell me if you love Grenada. Stand up and tell me. Everybody, sing this song. I want. Sing this song. Sing this song. Grenada. Grenada to the room. Grenada to the room. Let's lift up our voices and shout it. Sing this song. Sing this song. One more time. One more time.